there is one question which says, you have moved from boardrooms to start contemplative life. How you plan to take contemplative life back to the boardrooms so that companies start to look at the total humanity, the wellness of the total humanity, and not just for profit or what is generally termed called in finance as maximizing the wealth. Instead of that, do you have plans to take it to the boardroom, contemplative life to boardroom?
So that is the work of Pro-Social World and Pro-Social Spirituality, because Pro-Social is based in empirical science, and for particularly the rational mind and also the secular mind, they're about show me the data, right? And this has a data dimension to it, and it also provides the framework, the playbook for creating groups and organizations that flourish and that are very balanced. And so there's two dimensions of it. The dimension that comes from Pro-Social is very complete on the horizontal dimension in terms of social flourishing, but it's incomplete on the vertical dimension. And that's what Pro-Social Spirituality brings to it. The transcendent into the mystery. And so that is designed to be able to be very open and receptive to both the secular as well as the spiritual world. So that's going to be the entry point into corporations, organizations, boardrooms, and all.
Hello, Jeff, I think there's some connectivity problem at your end. We have lost him.
Yes.
I think he needs to reconnect.
Yeah, we can't
see him. Yeah, but I think he has brought out an interesting point, and I'm sure that this a very interesting question was raised by Premnathji, because he himself is an entrepreneur, and we have several. Jeff. We lost you for a minute or so. What I was trying to mention is, in our group and the collective of Ritambhara, we have a lot of entrepreneurs and professionals who run their own companies, and they are connected to so many corporates. I think from that perspective, the question of Premnathji has emerged as to how do we take it back to the boardrooms, and your initiative of Pro-Social World is something very unique and interesting. And I think many of the entrepreneurs and administrators who are a part of our group, they would be really interested to connect with that, and that would be wonderful. And Praveen Goenka-ji has profusely thanked you and me for this enriching discussion. Thank you so much. And if there are no further questions, and I think there is less, opportunity to raise questions when it actually comes to a contemplative life. One needs. I am reminded of what Jiddu Krishnamurti always used to say, that it is important to live with the question and not really find answers for everything. I think I'm sure all our participants are now in that mode of living with their own questions and moving inward towards the contemplative life. I cannot thank you enough, Jeff, for this wonderful session and the insights you have provided us. And I'm sure that we will have a lot of other opportunities to connect with you and with your initiatives, and make it much more widespread, so that people get connected to it and realize the beauty of that inner dimension of a contemplative life. So thank you once again, Jeff, and I thank all the participants also. Binaji, would you like to say something?
One thing I'd like to also thank you, because part of a good experience with somebody is the questions that you ask. And these are wonderful questions coming from wonderful places, and I want to acknowledge that. So thank you.
So thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much. Thank you to all our participants for your valuable presence this evening. Please join us for our 2 upcoming programs. On Sunday, 20th December, we have a yoga program by Umesh Dagatji starting at 7 a.m. It's based on boosting your immunity. And then on Friday, the 25th of December, we have a very special program by Mr. Vinay Chandra on Kriya Yoga, a master key for transformation. And we'll be posting the details of both these programs on our WhatsApp groups. So please block your dates for the upcoming webinars. At Ritambra, we look forward to your presence every Friday, where we bring to you interesting topics on holistic wellness and the arts, delivered by a host of distinguished, knowledgeable speakers. Thank you once again for your presence and participation from all of us at Ritambra. Namaste.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.